and today or tell you something new. But today I've heard many people say, especially students. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shruti, and today in this video, I'm not here to teach you or tell you something new, but today I'm here as a mentor for all of you to guide and cheer up and bring in some confidence in all of you, those who really need my help. Today, let's talk something. Let's talk about confidence and the fear that is in all of us for some particular reason. But I think in my viewers, it is about speaking English or why we are not able to come up as good English speakers. So let's talk more about that. So let me ask some real questions. Why are we actually scared of speaking in English? Why do we think that people will make fun of us? Or why are we disturbed by people who are actually making fun of us? See, you don't need to really sound perfect to speak English. And speaking English perfectly also does not come in just one day. It takes days of practice, not just English speaking, every activity that you want to master. It can be, being a pro at maths or scoring top marks, anything, but specifically when you want to speak a language very fluently, especially something like English that's not in our native terms. So you need lots of practice, and being scared or underconfident is not the first thing to go. The first thing you have to start with is being confident and to speak whatever you know without being judging yourself and not being scared of others, that what others will think about what you speak. So I've heard many people say, especially students, that they do understand and know English, but do not have the guts or the real, the confidence to speak out in public. Do you know why this happens? Because whenever we get a chance to speak, we stay silent. The first place being our classrooms. So I think as a student, whenever we get a chance to speak, be it in our classroom or the stage, we must speak out. In a classroom, we are always worried that what our peers would say, what our teachers would think. But as a student, speaking with others or speaking is the one that can actually boost your language. Also, I want to clear a big myth that marks is not something you can compare with your intelligence. Someone who's really bad at scoring marks may be a very budding. Fluency is not about speaking big words or phrases. It's about conveying your thoughts and what you think to others without messing up and in the most right way. From now, stop saying my English is weak or I am bad at speaking English. Confidence is the first key to your fluency, and daily speaking is your biggest motivation. And making mistakes is actually a good sign, because when you learn something, you make mistakes. No one is pro from heart at anything. So, from today, do not fear of yourself or anybody else. Stand up and speak for yourself. You have to improve your language, so it's your thing, and you have to take the first step for that. No one else would ever take it. And I'm always here as a support for you to learn your language and improve it day by day. So be confident and stay tuned for more such videos.